Hello, everybody. Today is Saturday, March the 8th, 2014. My name is Michael Wright, and this is the Weekend Elliottwave video. Just before going forward, please do pause the recording and read over the risk disclaimer. Alright, let's jump right into the markets. Currently, we are in two open positions. Those positions are the short pound CAD and then also the short pound dollar. So first, let's look at the pound dollar. Both setups I do actually like. Pound dollar, we tried it before, but we will stop there at break even. So pound dollar, so far so well, as we basically came back to retest the broken trend line, in my opinion. Looking for the pair to move downward into the 165.20 region at least. So we'll actually go ahead and take a closer look at that pair, and we are also in the pound cash short. So let's actually look at the pound CAD as well. Um, the pound CAD actually, looking at this pair, same exact thing about, but this one, in my opinion, is a little bit more clearer, as it came back to retest, or came back to kiss. A lot of traders like to call this breakout and retest. Came back to kiss the resistance area, and here we're looking for new lows below 183. So let's look at pound CAD and pound dollar, take a closer look at the pair from an Elliottwave standpoint. All right. So first and foremost, we have, this is the pound CAD now. Okay. So rejection off of key resistance from a Fibonacci standpoint. We also have the pair. Very close to the 78.6 fib. If I actually run it through the bodies, it will be the rejection from that zone. So I do like that from that angle. If we take it from the ultimate high to about here, again, about the same thing. All right, so pound CAD 4-hour chart, and looking for it to take out those recent lows. In my opinion, it could even go further. The reason why is because we have deep momentum divergence. Okay. We have deep momentum divergence, and the high on the RSI was made back in the end of January. But meanwhile, we had highs afterwards. From a daily perspective, you could see the same thing. Okay, actually, it's even worse. And what I mean worse, we have the pair taking out highs, making new highs, but momentum not really following suit. Okay, so this is so this actually bodes well. So this actually bodes well for shorts, and actually I may go ahead and actually modify my targets as below 183 is even possible, because if we make a daily close below 183, actually we could see further downside risk. This pair has been on a uprise for quite some time, so a correction is due, even maybe to the 180 zone. So I'll go ahead and most likely modify those targets some point on Sunday, maybe Monday, Tuesday, as I don't really think it will just shoot down overnight. All right. So that's the pound dollar. Meanwhile, we have that's the pound CAD. So meanwhile, we have the pound dollar. The pound dollar, from my perspective, what we have here is similar action. We had the breakout, and then we had the retest. Okay. Let's wait for this to load. And let's actually pull it up on the daily chart as well. Similar action across the board, though. Momentum divergence, breakout, and then retest. And then meanwhile, what we also have is the Aussie dollar and Kiwi dollar also making its southern drifts. On Friday, nice spike up across the board in risk, but something that came back to fall down further. Okay, let's wait for the data to pick up here. Okay, so then we have those measurements as well. Not to rule out, this is the Aussie dollar. Okay, now the Aussie dollar, what we have here is similar action. I'm actually looking for rallies in the Aussie to sell it. From an Ichimoku standpoint, on the hourly time frame, we are looking to have the Tenkin Kijun crossover to the downside. That is indicative of further downside risk. Chris will actually be doing his Ichimoku video as well. So for those members, you will go ahead and get the update over the weekend, and then I will actually be doing a moving average video later on today. Okay, now Aussie dollar, we also see from a moving average standpoint. I'll go more in depth in the moving average video that will also be posted in the members area. But we also do have the 10 period SMA crossing over to the downside on the 20 period SMA, and that is indicative of shorts. And then back to the Ichimoku, we have the Tenkin looking to cross over below the Kijun, which is also indicative of shorts as well. So any rallies in the Aussie dollar is looked at as a shorting opportunity. I will again focus on the Ichimoku development shortly. But from an Elliottwave standpoint, it also does measure up, and we are looking to sell our short-term rallies, looking for at least 89.70. Alright guys, I want to thank you all for watching the weekend Elliottwave video. I look forward to talking to you all in the chat room. Also feel free to shoot me a Skype directly at wtcg.mike. If not, you can also feel free to shoot us an email. Okay everybody, cheers and good luck trading.